Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. British international investment is pumping $10 million into private equity fund SEEF to support small and medium-sized enterprises in the Caribbean. British High Commissioner to Jamaica Judith Slater says this is the first major investment by the institution since 2000. The entity returned to the region in October. Ms. Slater spoke with TVJ News at the Invest Jamaica conference in Montego Bay, St. James.
We will be investing particularly in SMEs, the private equity fund, but they're looking for SMEs, high-growth SMEs, particularly in sustainability, and that's an area that we're really keen on. What British International Investment does is make that investment, put that money and put their faith into SEEF. They've done a lot of due diligence on the SEEF fund. They have an expert here based out of Jamaica who will be looking for these projects. So with people that have projects that they think are investable, it's for them to come to SEEF and explain, do their pitch if you like, and then the decisions will then be made by SEEF. It's their expertise.
The investment brings the fund to $54 million. Meanwhile, Britain is looking to reduce its trade deficit with Jamaica as the country looks to strengthen trading relations.
Because our trade and investment with Jamaica is not where it ought to be. I want it to be much bigger. The UK does about £3.5 billion trade investment annually in this region, but Jamaica is a small proportion of that, and it really should be bigger. We've been hearing all about Jamaica punching above its weight, and at the moment the UK has a trade deficit with Jamaica. I want to see if I can do something about that.
The UK remains one of the top 5 countries for Jamaica's exports. Microlender Dollar Financial Services today listed its variable secured corporate bonds on the Jamaica Stock Exchange JSE's private market. Managing Director of the JSE, Dr. Martin Street Forrest, provided details.
You are here to list these 2 tranches of variable rate secured corporate bonds, which were offered by way of exempt distribution. And the tranche A, 10.5% variable secured for 3 years, and the tranche B for 5 years, 11.75%.
The number of companies listed on the private market has risen to 6, while the number of securities on the market is up to 12. Dollar has also received approval from the Bank of Jamaica to operate as a microcredit institution. The US dollar is being sold for an average $155.02. $114.73 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $185.49 for the pound, while it's costing an average $163.63 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 4,915 points today, while the junior market index gained 40 points. Advances include Key Insurance Company, Cargo Handlers, Blue Power Group, First Rock Real Estate Investments, and First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares. The decliners include Victoria Mutual Investments, Palace Amusement, Epley Caribbean Property Fund SCC, Jamaica Stock Exchange, and JMMB Group 7.35% CR preference shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.